Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to resize and move slicer in Excel. So let's start with my Excel, and here you can see I have data in table and with the slicer. So let's see how it's resize it. So when you click on the slicer, you can see the selection is showing of the slicer. You just drag the corner point and you can easily resize it. Okay. And the second way, same as click on the slicer and go to the slicer tab. Okay. In size, you can change the height and width. Okay. You just click on the up arrow to increase the height of slicer and down arrow to decrease the height of slicer. Same as for width, you just click on the up arrow to increase the width and decrease the width on down arrow. Okay. For buttons, you just to increase the height, just click on the up arrow. You can see the button height is increased. And if you want to decrease, just click on the down arrow. Same as for width of button, click on the up arrow to increase the width of buttons. You can see the changes. And down arrow to decrease the width of button. Okay. If you want column 2, this is a column 1. And if you want columns 2, so just click on the up arrow to 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. So you can set accordingly. You just drag the point and you can set your slicer in horizontal also. So this is a way resize you and with a different way. And to move this slicer, just keep cursor on the slicer. You can see on the header, you just keep cursor and you can see the arrow of 4 side arrow showing here. Just click on and move anywhere where you want. Okay, set. Just move anywhere your slicer and set accordingly. Okay. So I set here, and when you click on the any product, you can see the filter applied in your data. To clear the filter, just click on this clear filters option, and that's it. Okay. So this is a way resize your slicer and move anywhere in Excel easily. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.